Let me ask you something real. Are you exhausted every day trying to live the day over and over again? Waking up to an alarm that you hate, going to office that is going to drain your energy, working under a boss who doesn't value you, and still by the end of the month, you're broke and burned out. Now, most people working 9 to 5 job experience this, and you have something burning right inside you. You want to learn, you want to grow, you want to build a real online business, and ultimately want the freedom. And this entire tutorial series is not about hustle culture, but today in this particular video, it's about building a system one step at a time and breaking free from that loop. And today in this part 20 of this how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner, we are going to see how to use the third-party tracking tool OptinDojo by integrating it with the Leadpages, the funnel builder software, and also how to use it with Getresponse for tracking your email opens and also inserting your affiliate links so that your system is going to track your leads, collect the buyer's email address, and work even while you sleep. So what you will learn today, number one, how to integrate OptinDojo with your landing page, and also how to automate Getresponse email automation and email broadcast, and also how to insert your email open tracking pixels, and also how to insert your affiliate links in Getresponse, and why this setup is going to help you build your buyer's email list, which is the most important thing as an affiliate marketer. So let me dive into my OptinDojo dashboard. But before that, if you still haven't signed up for OptinDojo, you can always check out the link in the description box below, or you can check out the first pinned comment. OptinDojo doesn't come for free. You have to pay to use it. So this is the OptinDojo dashboard, and go to the funnels, Leadpages. So I'm using the Leadpages funnel for this training tutorial series. And over here, you can see this two things. One is the HTML script and new lead redirect. Now we have to enter this HTML script inside your Leadpages landing page, which is the squeeze page. So what you need to do is that just copy this HTML script, and you can go to your landing pages, go to the squeeze page which you have created it, just click on this edit button, and over here you can just go to the settings, and under the analytics you can see this head section tracking code. Just paste it over here, and you can click on the save button. So go back to your OptinDojo, and here you can see this new lead redirect. So what does this mean? So whenever a subscriber has entered his name and email, and when he clicks on this get instant access button, he will be taken to this new lead redirect page. Now this new lead redirect page is going to be either your bridge page or it can be your affiliate offer, and all has been tracked through this OptinDojo tracking pixel. So you will know exactly who is getting inside your lead pages, and you can see the conversion rates inside the OptinDojo dashboard. So go back to your lead pages and click once inside this, and over here you can see this actions, and click on this external URL, and under this external URL paste the new lead redirect script. So after that, click on save and close. So after that, go and click on this update button. So make sure that every time you update, if you change anything over here. Next, we are going to see how to use OptinDojo to automate our Getresponse email automation and email broadcast. So coming back to OptinDojo, you can go to the email tracking setup, and over here you have to select the autoresponder. So I'm just going to select the autoresponder, which is Getresponse. And here you can see the email opens and email links. Now email links, click on email links, and here you can see this for the automated sequence, and this is for the broadcast email. So you can enter the number of days that you're going to send this email automation sequence. For example, if it is 7 days, you can enter 7 days and click on get pixels, and you get this pixel for each email. So you can just copy it and paste it inside your email automation body content. And next you have this for broadcast email. For broadcast email, you can just change the name, and I'm just going to enter it as openers. So you can click on this get pixel, and you can copy this tracking pixel to be inserted inside your broadcast email. So once you copy this for broadcast, so this is the Getresponse dashboard. Go to the tools, and over here you can see this email marketing. This is where we create the email broadcast. So over here you can see we have created this email broadcast. So I'm just going to create a new broadcast. So I'm just going to copy this broadcast. So click on the reuse. So here I'm just going to change it as test4, and email address will be the same. And here you can go to the edit section. So over here we need to enter that particular tracking pixel, so which will track the email opens. So what you need to do is that go and drag and drop this custom HTML just below this, and right over here you can insert the HTML code. Go back to funnels, copy this and come here and just paste it over here. Now next is you have to enter the affiliate link. Now just highlight this, bold, underline, insert the affiliate link, and over here go back to your opt-in dojo and go to the email links. So here go to the email links and choose the correct rotator. I'm just going to enter the default rotator, pick an offer from rotator and copy this affiliate tracking pixel and go back here and just paste it over here and click on insert. So this is how you insert your affiliate tracking pixel. So after that, click on next. So it's the same for email automation and email broadcast. So everything has to be done inside the message. But before that, make sure that your Getresponse account is integrated with Opt-in Dojo. Now, how do you do that? You have to go to your event manager and make sure that you create a separate event, and under that you make sure that you choose the whenever a lead makes a purchase, you need to make an action. So choose an action like move lead to another list, and here you have to select the integration source Getresponse and you have to click on this edit and make sure that authorize your Getresponse access. So once it is connected, it will show over here it is connection is established and you can see the email list. So two things, one is the event manager has to be connected and your affiliate or own offers, you have to make sure that you have the right affiliate offer under the right rotator and you have to use the right rotator over here. So now you have seen both how to integrate your Opt-in Dojo with your Leadpages and also how to automate your email automation and broadcast with Getresponse. So now why this matters? Why do we need to use this Opt-in Dojo tool that most people miss out? When you send traffic to an affiliate offer and eventually someone on your email list buys, you get a commission on the sale. So what happens? The product owner gets the buyer's email address and you don't get the buyer's email address. So what does Opt-in Dojo does? With the help of all these automations, Opt-in Dojo will help you track who has bought from your email list, and it moves that particular email list from your raw list into the buyer's C email list. And you might have a question here, like why do we need to build all these buyers list? Guys, understand this. In online marketing business, most of the sales will come from this buyer's email list only. And that's why all the product owners on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Digistore, JVZoo, they build their own products and ask the affiliates to promote it. And in turn, they get the buyer's email list. And again, when they launch a new product into the market, what happens? They send these products directly to this buyer's email list and they're going to buy. But as an affiliate marketer, what do we get? We don't get the buyer's email address. Even if you ask Digistore, ClickBank, or the product owner, are they going to give the email address of the buyer who has bought from your email list? No, they are not going to give it. That's why, as an affiliate marketer, Opt-in Dojo is going to flip the game and is going to help you build this buyer's list. And in turn, you can send them repeat offers, different offers, high ticket offers. And once you position yourself with different stack of bonuses, incentives, and some kind of free services, then eventually they are going to buy from you again and again whenever you promote them offers. So that's why this tool is going to help you, and it's going to be a game changer for affiliate marketers who don't own a product. I hope this thought is going to help you make a clear decision on whether to buy or not the Opt-in Dojo tool. And don't make the same mistakes as the beginners are making over there. And even I have wasted time without knowing this tool. Use this tool. So I hope you got real value out of this content today. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my videos. So in the next part of this training tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to create email swipes and where to get these email swipes and how to test them before sending, and whether it is going to hit the inbox or whether it's going to hit the spam. I'm going to help you out. So please stay tuned and see you until then. Bye.